guys, this is Michelle from the Food Health Nutrition Wealth YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be going through my weekly meal plan and also showing you my grocery haul for our week. I decided to switch up how I was planning my meals this week using this tracking document from the Budget Mom. You can see at the bottom here. This is one of the free resources that have come out in her weekly newsletters, and I just thought I'd give it a try. I like how it is laid out by day, and then also for the grocery list, it does divide it into the different sections of the grocery store. So we'll give it a try and see how it works out. And so this week, one of the biggest differences is the fact that I recently got delivered a local meat subscription box called TruLocal. And because of that, what I need to go grocery shopping for, you can see here, is mainly produce and like basics like butter and eggs. So I won't be really buying any meat products. I will show you guys in a second what I got in the TruLocal box and how I'm going to plan my meals around that. So basically this week, I do typically plan from Saturday to Sunday. So if you look at the bottom of the page here, this is really the beginning of my meal plan. And really, we're going to be dealing with some leftovers that we have. We made 2 fairly large casseroles last week, and we're still making our way through them. So they do freeze well, and they can be brought out and used when we need them. So I do want to go through those first. And then starting on Sunday, we're going to have our trout, which we didn't end up eating last week, so it was still in the freezer. Like I said, I kind of over-prepped last week, and we had too many servings of our casserole, so good problem to have. So we'll just carry that through to Sunday. On Monday, I'm going to be making hamburgers from our new TruLocal box. So these are grass-fed beef. I'm kind of really excited to be able to try these out, and we'll have that with coleslaw. I am going to be prepping on Sunday. So you're watching this on Tuesday, but on Sunday I will have meal prepped some things, one of them being a Mediterranean frittata. So that's basically going to be my first meal of the day for the week. We'll be having that. And then I'm going to be making a spaghetti using ground lamb. And I have zoodles. Well, I bought zucchini, or I will be buying zucchini. And I do have some of the low-carb cognac noodles in my pantry that I'm going to be basically blending them together. I have a spiralizer, so that makes a lot easier to make zoodles when you need to, and it's a lot less expensive that way in the long run. So that'll be for 2 days for us. And then on Friday, I'm planning on making some marinated chicken thighs with some broccoli that we already have in the freezer. So that is the plan. I will be going shopping shortly and looking to only spend about $27. You can see it here. It's quite small. It's a little bit harder to see, but that's kind of what I'm looking to spend. The other cost you see there is basically the per weekly cost that it would be for the TruLocal meat subscription box that I've already received and will be showing you in a second. So that's the plan. I'll check back in with you later to show you how things went and to also show you the TruLocal box. So I'm really excited to be trying out this TruLocal subscription box. You can see all the items I got here as a whole. I'll show you all the individual items in a second. Basically, the reason I wanted to do this is that I wanted to have some high quality, locally sourced, grass-fed meat sources for having our meals, and this is what they offer. I did get a regular size box. They do offer a smaller size, so depending on how big your family is, you can choose a different one. And we went with the every 6 weeks refill, so you can go every 4 weeks, every month, or whatever works for you. I do have a code that you can use to get either $20 off a regular box or $10 off of a small box on your first order. And that's Michelle0142. And I'll put it in the description box below. So if anyone's interested in trying it out, you can certainly do that. Also, as I use up some of these products in my meals, I'll try to give you guys some feedback on what my thoughts are on them. So on my Instagram, and it's also linked below, I'll be putting some reviews out there too. So here are the items that we got. All right, you can see here I got some grass-fed beef patties. So there's 4 in each package. You got a handwritten note from TruLocal in the box. That was nice. I got a 3-pack of grass-fed ground beef, and that'll be great. Here is a package of stewing beef you just saw there. A lot of chicken thighs. So I got bone-in, skin on chicken thighs, and then you can see here ground lamb in that package there. I also got some nitrate-free, no sugar added bacon, which will be great for breakfasts. I got ground pork and also packages of lamb burger patties. And then, of course, the ribeye beef steaks, which will be great to try again, too. And a whole chicken you can see in the back there. So that's the entire thing. All right, guys, so I'm back from the grocery store now. You can see here it's a pretty small haul, but I'll go through what I got. I did end up going to 3 different grocery stores, which was not what I initially had planned, but it all worked out. They were close together, and it didn't really take me any more time than it would have because they were all kind of across the street from each other. But you can see here I have the coleslaw mix to go with the burgers that we're going to be having. They had kale slaw mix on sale as well for 99 cents. I thought that'd be great to have, even if I only end up using one of these. The other one I'll throw in the freezer, and it'll be used. They're great for using as a stir fry base. So that's that. I got a jar of strained tomatoes to make into my spaghetti sauce. I do have 2 zucchinis here, so I have a spiralizer, and I'll make zucchini noodles with those and combine it with, I do have a small package of konjac noodles, angel hair ones, that I'll combine to make our spaghetti meals. We have our water enhancers. I did get some goat cheese. I am planning on making a recipe video for like a Mediterranean style egg frittata, and that's what that will be used for. Butter. We got our avocados there, and they also had a good deal on eggs at one of the stores I went to, so we got 2 18 packs of eggs. And look, there's Bo making a guest appearance. Hi, Bobo, my kitty. Okay, so now we'll just go through and see how this means for our meal plan. Alright, guys, so you just saw the grocery haul, so now I'll just do a quick touch base on how things went with the budget. We did pretty well. I did end up getting an extra water enhancer because one of the stores I went to had them on special after I'd already bought 2 of them. We'll just hold on to that one for next week, and it'll average out nicely. I did get another coleslaw mix. I was only going to get one, but they had, again, the second store I went to had a really good deal. And so I decided to get one that I will freeze because these coleslaw mixes are actually really great to use for stir fries. And once they're frozen, they're not really ideal for having fresh once you thaw them out again, but they are perfect for doing a stir fry. And that's what I will use that second one for in a later week. So overall, we did go with a cost of $68.76 when you take into account both what we spent at the grocery store today and our the portion of our subscription box for TruLocal. And that's well below our budget of $100, so that worked out really great. And tomorrow's, for us, is Sunday. You'll be watching this on Tuesday, but I'll be doing my meal prep. You can see up here I have a few things I'm going to be prepping, and that'll be setting us up very nicely for the week, and I'm so excited. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really does help out our channel. If you aren't already, consider subscribing. We'd love to have you join us. I do put out weekly recipe videos and also weekly videos like this one where I go through our meal plan and grocery haul. So yeah, that would be great. And until next time, bye-bye.